Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will return the metadata about a certain YouTube video, and it will also return the tags which are used inside YouTube video. So this is actually the Python script. You can actually take any video from YouTube. So let me paste this YouTube video URL inside the script. So it will return the metadata information regarding the script. So if I run this script now, you will see on the left hand side it will create a JSON file. It will extract all the metadata from this YouTube video and save this inside this JSON file. So on the left hand side you will see it has created this JSON file. If I try to open this, you will see the title of the video. Then we also get all the tags which are used in the video. You will see array of tags. Then we get the channel name and the date of the upload. We also get the description as well, and we also get how much long is the video duration in seconds. So this we are all getting without using any sort of API. You don't need to replace any API key. So it's a free package inside Python. You can use it unlimited number of times. You'll see it can web scrape all this information such as the title, descriptions, the tags which are used right here, and all this information. There is a free package here. Let me show you, yt-dlp. So this is actually the name of the package here. So the command is very simple. You simply execute this pip command. I've already installed it. So once you install this, let me show you the script here. I've given the script in the description of this video. So if you need, you can go to the description and just get the full script. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to import this module. So import yt-dlp, and then we also need to import the JSON module. And then here you need to specify which YouTube video you need to get the metadata. So you can just paste any video. Let me take a different video. Let me take this video, copy link address and simply paste it. So after that you will specify the options right here. So here you will specify, these are the options: quiet and skip download to true. So you just need to set these options first of all, and force JSON. So you need to force this application to return the data in a JSON format. So we are applying these three options. So after that we just need to use this module. So we simply say with yt_dlp, and it contains this function YouTube ytdl options as, and then it contains this function which is extract info. So this is actually by which you can extract the metadata of the video. Here you pass the video URL as the first argument, and then we also pass the second one, download is equal to false. So once you get this info, now we need to extract the information from this, because this, let me print it out and execute this application. So you will see the data will be returned to you. So we now need to extract the data. So this JSON will be returned to you in the command line, but we need to extract the necessary data that is there. So it basically returns all this garbage of data. We need to extract the useful information. So now for extracting the useful information, we will simply create an object, data object, and here we specify the properties. First information, we need to get the title of the window, the title of the video. So info.get title. Then we also need to get the tags which are helpful for search engine optimization. So you will get all the tags which are used in that video. Then we also can get the channel name, which channel name has uploaded this video. So info.get uploader. Then we also can get description of the video, and you can even get the thumbnail as well, duration as well, number of views as well, the number of likes, dislike. So everything you can get, guys, using this approach. So we actually get all these things: title, tags, uploaded, description, thumbnail, duration, view count, like count, dislike count, everything. So after that, we can save this information in a JSON file. So we simply say with open, and then we can create a brand new file, metadata.json. And then we simply dump this JSON data inside, and then we can print out a simple line here: video metadata has been saved. So that's all. This is actually the script here, and if I execute the script, you will see all this data will be saved inside a JSON file. So you will see it has saved the data inside this JSON file. If I try to open this, you will see this is actually the title. All the tags have been extracted. We get the channel name, description, thumbnail, the duration, number of views, which is number of likes. So everything has been scraped, guys. If you see the video page, you can see everything has been scraped here: number of likes, description, title, channel name, everything. So in this easy way, inside Python, you can extract the metadata of any YouTube video. And for this, we haven't used the API key at all. It's a web scraping module which actually interacts with the YouTube API behind the scenes, and it returns all this information in a JSON file. So the script is given, guys, in the description of this video. You can get the full script. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of